Hello everyone, let me introduce to you our PV module installation robot. What about our PV module installation robot? Is mainly used to transport, grab, and place photovoltaic modules. Grab and place photovoltaic modules. Then our photovoltaic module installation robot is mainly composed of several key components. The first is our crawler chassis, which is directly driven by the motor. It can achieve a rotation in place. Above our crawler chassis is our electrical system and control system. In the middle of the crawler chassis is the base of the robotic arm and the robotic arm system. The robotic arm base is divided into the lower and upper sections. When it is needed to be applied in low structure scenarios, we lower the manipulator to the lower section base. It can adapt to the low structure scene in the range of 0.5 to 1.5. When we need to apply in high structure scenarios, we install a dual section mounting base to adapt to high support sites where the lower purlins are above 1.5 meters. Our robotic arm system mainly consists of industrial robots. Suction cap in the visual positioning camera. At the rear of the chassis, there is a flip-up feeding mechanism. This mechanism includes a gear insertion part and the turning machine part. During the actual feeding process, we can remotely control the chassis to pick up a whole box. Then, we use the flipping mechanism to flip it. It is convenient for the robotic arm to grab. Our robot, it has a range extended hybrid module. In the state of full oil and full electricity, it can work continuously for more than 40 hours.